Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. So, in video today, I'm gonna show you how I sew this gorgeous dress. One time, I saw this design on Pinterest and I remembered this in my mind. Then today, I decided to make it. This dress will be V-neck line, garter bust, back sleeve, tie strap, and button up in front side. Okay, let's get started. I picked up 2x5 this kind of fabric with tiny florals on it. I already made the pattern here. There are two panels of a half of front side. The length of the dress is 10 to close to the ankle. You can adjust the length of the dress as you want. This is the back sleeve and this is the breast part that I will gathering it. And the bottom part will be on this panel. These panels are the back side. I'll fold fabric in half to cut the top. Also fold fabric to cut the center part of skirt and cut to separate panel for the outside of skirt. After cut out fabric, I got on a panels that I need here. Let's bring them to overlocking on of the edge of the fabric by my serger. Now I'm going to connect all of the panels of the back side together. At the front side on the bottom line part, I press a thin interfacing on which is 2 cm width. Now fold the fabric to the wrong side and stitch it. Then I'm going to stick on the breast part, grab the thread on top and pull it to gather fabric at this part. Next, I'm gonna connect this part to the back side at the shoulder and both sides. And now I'll cut a panel which is 3 cm width to make the part of spider around the neckline. I'm going to align the part of spiding on the right side of fabric and stitching around the waist of neckline. Then, fold the part a step over the fabric to the wrong side and stitch it. Moving on to the strap, I'll cut two panels which are 8 cm width and 150 cm length. Fold it in half and stitch it. Then cut the excess fabric and turn the right side out. Remember to press to make them nice and flat. After that, I'm gonna put the strap between the bottom part and the rest of the dress and sew them together. Lastly, I just hand the bottom of dress to finish. And here the final look. I love this design so much. It looks really feminine, flattering, beautiful and comfortable. Hope you like my tutorial and see you next Thursday. Bye!